Hello students, I'm here with another video from the chapter of class 10th Science NCERT book. The name of the chapter is Light. So children, we are doing the revision of the previous year's questions which are being asked in the board examination, and yesterday also I discussed some of the question answers related with the chapter Light. Today also I'll be continuing with the same. So the first question for today's class is, again it is a numerical question. So we'll write the question first and then we'll be discussing the question answers. We'll be discussing the solution of that particular question and how to solve this. Okay. So the question is, a concave lens has focal length of 20 centimeter at what distance from the lens, a 5 centimeter tall object be placed so that it forms an image at 15 centimeter from the lens. Also calculate the size in the image Okay, so this is your question. This question says it is a concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter. At what distance from the lens a 5 centimeter tall object is placed so that it forms an image of at about 15 centimeter from the lens. Also you have to calculate the size of the object. Okay, so we'll do the solution. So the solution of this question is, what we have, first of all we'll be writing the given part, what is being given in the question. We have got focal length, that is f is equal to how much? It is having the focal length, it forms an image of 15 centimeter from the lens. Since it is going to form, see it is written over here that it has focal length of 20 centimeters. So we have 20 centimeters. Now this focal length would be in negative sign because this is a which lens? This is a concave lens. That is why it is having a virtual focus. So it is going to be in minus sign. Okay. So next is, we have height of the object, that is 5 centimeters. Okay. And next we have the image is going to form at 15 centimeter, means image distance we are having. We have V, which is 15 centimeters, and again this would be in negative sign. Okay, this also would be having negative sign. Now after using the lens formula, the lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, or 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, so what we can get as 1 by u is equal to, we have to find out u, क्योंकि यहाँ पर u नहीं दिया है, we have to find out we have to write where is that object be placed. We have to write down find out the object distance. So object distance is going to be denoted with letter u. So we will be finding u. So we'll be taking out this u. Okay, so 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, 1 by v minus 1 by f. Okay, अब v भी आपके पास है, we have v, we have f. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 15 and minus 1 by f is minus 20. Okay, so we'll be taking out the LCM and we can find out the answer. We get as 300 minus 20 and plus 15. So we can get it as 5 by 300. Okay, minus 5 by 300. Now next is we get it as, आप इसे cancel करोगे तो you will get as 60 centimeters and that would be in minus sign because this has a minus symbol. So this we will get as minus 60 centimeters. अब क्या करना आपको, आपको image का size calculate करना. We have found u is equal to minus 60 centimeters. Okay, we get u is equal to minus 60 centimeters. Fine. अब इसके बाद हमें इसका size भी calculate करना है object image का. So what we will do, we will take out the magnification. We will use that magnification of the lens and then we will be finding out the answer. Okay, so we get magnification m is equal to h dash by h. Okay, so उसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम, इसको हम इक्वेट कर देंगे v अपॉन u से, v by u. Now h dash को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. h dash is equal to minus 15 अपॉन minus 60 into 5 क्योंकि 5 सेंटीमीटर का ऑब्जेक्ट था. ओके, 5 सेंटीमीटर का ऑब्जेक्ट था जिसको आप इधर से इस तरफ लेकर के जाएंगे तो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू एज मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद द 5. सो वी हैव रिटन एज मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द 5. ओके, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी विल बी गेटिंग, we will be cancelling this. After reducing this we can cancel all these. After cancelling we can get the answer as 5 by 4. Minus minus would also be cancelled. This would become 1.25 centimeters. Okay, this says, अब ये आप देखो यहाँ पर जो इमेज का डिस्टेंस है, इमेज का हाइट है वो मिल रहा है 1.25 और ऑब्जेक्ट का हाइट कितना था, दिस वाज 5 सेंटीमीटर्स. तो छोटी है इससे एंड बहुत छोटी है, 5 टाइम्स छोटी है. इसका मतलब है कि द इमेज इज डिमिनिश्ड, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ वर्चुअल इमेज. सो व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ द इमेज? नेचर ऑफ द इमेज वुड बी virtual and diminished. So this was about your question. What we have done, we have the formula, we have the values to be used, and just think over the negative sign or the positive sign of the negative sign and the positive sign of focal length, the distance, image distance, object distance. Okay, so you can get the answer very easily and very carefully. You have to do the calculations because here negative sign is also there, positive sign is also there. Where to use positive, where to use negative symbol, please understand. Okay, so what we have done, we'll just see it once again. We have the value of f, we got the value of h, and we have got the value of v in the question, and both of them are in the negative sign because this was a concave lens. Now in concave lens we will use this this lens formula. Lens formula says 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. We will substitute the values of v and f. Okay, so we have substituted the value of v and f. We got it as this one, this step, and then we have found out by cancelling this, by reducing this, we got it as minus 60 centimeters. We got u as minus 60 centimeters. This is the object distance. Okay, this is the object distance. Now when we can equate this magnification, that is h dash upon h is equal to v by u. Okay, this is v by u. Okay, now अब क्या करेंगे, इसमें हम इसको v by u कर लेंगे और उसके बाद हम इसको इक्वेट करते हैं. आफ्टर इक्वेटिंग विल गेट this as minus 15 upon minus 60 because we were having v, the value of v was minus 15. We got the value of u minus 60. That would be dividing each other and then we'll be getting the answer as 1.25. Since we got so much of difference in image distance and object image height and object height, or we can say image size and object size, this we can clearly say that the image formed is diminished is diminished as and virtual. Okay, this is diminished and virtual. Fine, so this was all about your first question. Now we move on to the second question and we can get the solution for the second question as well. Okay, so we'll write the question first. I'll use this half part for writing the question so that question is not being erased, otherwise full complete part would be taken up by the question itself because it is a long question. So we'll be using this side for writing the question so that you can understand well. Now the next question is an object. This is visible, I think. Yes, the object of 50 centimeter is placed on the principal axis of a convex lens. Okay, a 20 centimeter tall image is formed on the screen placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. Calculate the focal length of the lens. Okay, so this is your question. Question says an object of 50 centimeter is placed, 50 centimeter tall it is. Okay, so object is 50 centimeter tall, is being placed on the principal axis of a convex lens. Okay, this is being placed in front of convex lens, 50 centimeters. Okay, this is 50 centimeters. Is placed upon a convex lens. A 20 centimeter image is formed on the screen placed at the distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. Now please remember which kind of image would be formed. It would be in positive symbol or the negative symbol, since it is being formed here somewhere. Okay, it is going to form this side and the image would be formed this side. That is, screen is being placed. अब कौन सा स्क्रीन है, 10 सेंटीमीटर पर हमने स्क्रीन रखा है जिसकी इमेज बन रही है. ओके, जिस पर इमेज बनेगी. अब क्या करेंगे हम, विल बी फाइंडिंग आउट द, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द गिवन from this given part. So we'll get what we have got in this question. We'll write down first. We have got h, height of the object is 50 centimeters, and then we have h dash, that is image height. Image height is 20 centimeter. Okay, image height is 20 centimeter tall. Then after that we got the screen is being placed, that is V. We have got V, that is 10 centimeter. So positive में रहेगा क्योंकि ये एक convex lens है. Okay, so it is a convex lens, so it will be in positive sign. Okay. अब नेक्स्ट में क्या करेंगे हम, नेक्स्ट पार्ट इसका होगा कि हम इसको मैग्निफिकेशन से कंपेयर कर लें. जब अगर हम मैग्निफिकेशन से कंपेयर कर लेंगे तो ये v और u के साथ इक्वेट हो जाएगा एंड विल बी गेटिंग विद द साइन कन्वेंशन एंड विल बी गेटिंग द आंसर. ओके, सो m is equal to h dash by h, which is equal to v by u. Okay, now what we'll be getting, we'll be getting u from this side. अब v into h upon h dash. इसके साथ क्या मिल जाएगा इधर 10 सेंटीमीटर्स v है into h upon h dash. So h is 50 सेंटीमीटर्स upon 20 और ये -20 हो जाएगा. Okay, with the sign convention we get it as -25 centimeters. We get it as -25 centimeters. Now अब उसके बाद हम लेंस फॉर्मूला यूज कर ले 1/f is equal to 1/v minus 1/u. We get it as 1/f is equal to 1/10. 1/v is 10 minus 1/u is -25 सेंटीमीटर्स. अब इसका जब हम एलसीएम लेंगे तो इट विल बी कमिंग 250. इट विल बी कमिंग एज 250. दिस कम्स 10 25 टाइम्स माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा ये प्लस 10. सो द आंसर वुड बिकम 250 बाय, ठीक है, 35. दिस इज इक्वल टू f. अब इसको आप कैलकुलेट कर लो, इसको आप रिड्यूस करके 35 के टेबल से इसको रिड्यूस करेंगे तो 7.14 सेंटीमीटर्स इज द आंसर फॉर f. दिस वैल्यू इज ऑफ 1/f. पूरा ये 1/f का है. ओके, अब इसको 1/f को जब आप इक्वेट करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में बदल जाएगा और न्यूमरेटर विल कम इन द डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट. फाइन. And then we'll be getting the answer as 7.14 centimeters. Okay, so now what we have done, children, so we have got the answer as we have to calculate the focal length. The focal length has come as 7.14 centimeters. So what we have done in this question, we have done in this question as h is equal to 50 centimeters we have got, then h dash is equal to 20 centimeters we have got. Okay, and then v was already 10 centimeters. Okay, now मैग्निफिकेशन को हम कंपेयर कर लेंगे. मैग्निफिकेशन को h dash अपॉन h से हमने कंपेयर कर लिया. v अपॉन u लिख दिया. u is equal to v into h upon h dash 10 into 50. We get the answer as -25 centimeters. 1/f is equal to 1/v minus 1/u. हमने यहाँ लेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करके सारी वैल्यूज को यहाँ पर फिक्स कर दिया और सारी वैल्यूज को जैसे हमने यहाँ पे फिट किया तो वी गॉट द आंसर as 7.14 centimeters. Okay, I think this might be clear for you all. Now the next part which we have to study is the next question. The next question is, again it has been asked. So children, we are discussing the questions which have already been asked in the board examination. This question was also asked in your examinations. So remember that all these questions are very important. If the same question is not coming, the type of the question is going to come definitely. Okay, so please remember, because in this chapter there are only few points which are to be focused. That is, one of them is this numerical part of the question, and students find it difficult to solve. So please make sure that you will be given the values, and please take care of the lens or the mirror. Use sign conventions properly, and then you will be finding out the answer in a very easy manner. Now next is we have to find out a next question. इसमें आपको क्या करना है कि एक रे डायग्राम यहाँ पर बना हुआ है. नहीं, we'll solve some, we can distinguish. How will you distinguish? Okay, this is again a question, but this is a theoretical question. I'll be discussing this also with the numerical. One theoretical question must also be used. अब इसमें आपको क्या करना है? How will you distinguish a plane mirror and a concave mirror and a convex mirror without touching them? So how can you distinguish between concave mirror, convex mirror and a plane mirror? Without touching them. So the condition here is we don't have to touch and see the middle part of the lenses or the mirrors, but we have to only see and tell that what kind of lens mirror is being used or which we have taken for identification. So we can distinguish the mirror by identifying the type of the image formed in that particular of a particular object in all these three given parts. ठीक है, तो हमें यहाँ पर क्या करना है, यहाँ पर हमको देखना है कि कैसे इमेज बन रही है यहाँ, और इमेज के फॉर्मेशन से ही हमें पता चल जाएगा कि कौन से टाइप की मिरर का हमने यूज किया है. A plane mirror is going to produce the image of the same size. So you have understood. We will answer the question for after writing this plane mirror. Then next is concave mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या करना है यहाँ पर कि कॉनकेव मिरर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का कैसा है होगा. अब उसके बाद हमको यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है कि प्लेन मिरर में कैसी इमेज बनेगी. तो प्लेन मिरर की एक क्वालिटी होती है कि एक इरेक्ट इमेज बनाता है, सेम साइज की इमेज बनाता है. तो वी विल बी राइटिंग द सेम थिंग. वी हैव टू ब्रिंग वन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वी कैन पुट दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ all the three types of the mirrors and we can get the answer. We can get the answer as which kind of mirror is being used. So here a plane mirror will always give the image of the same size. It always give the image of same size. ठीक है, it always gives the image of the same size. Then next is the concave mirror. Now when we are putting the object in front of a concave mirror will always produce magnified. Okay, so it always produces a magnified image. So again we will be understanding that concave mirror is going to give always a magnified image. So we'll be writing as concave mirror. हमें पता चल जाएगा magnified image जिस भी optical device में बनेगी वो concave mirror होगा. अब convex mirror हमेशा एक diminished image बनाता है. Convex mirror it always produces diminished image. It always produces diminished image. तो यहाँ पर हम आसानी से देख सकते हैं कि ये इमेज diminished बनेगी तो ये एक convex mirror होगा. Okay, so this was about the question. This was about the question part, and now we will be discussing about the next question, that is okay. So these types of question could also be prepared. अब ऐसा problem question भी है, देखो देखिए theoretical question है, तो theoretical as well as numerical part both are equally important. Please don't think that only the theoretical part is you can understand or you can just leave the numericals or something like that. Please don't think, क्योंकि न्यूमेरिकल्स आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ज़रूर सॉल्व हो जाएगा और बहुत कठिन न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं पूछे जाते हैं. आपके क्वेश्चंस में आपको सारे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन. इट इज़ नॉट ओनली द हार्ड क्वेश्चंस वुड बी कमिंग. एवरेज पेपर रहता है, पर पेपर सारे बच्चों के लिए रहता है, इसलिए डोंट गेट डिमोरलाइज्ड एंड यू हैव टू practice more, and that practice is going to make you perfect. Okay, so the next question for that we'll be practicing some questions in the class, some questions here in the videos, and whatever is being left from your side you can ask you can clear your doubts whenever you find the class. Okay, now the next question is, we have to light of a wavelength of 50 okay, so light in the wavelength of 500 nanometer in the air enters a glass plate of refractive index 1.5, जिसका refractive index है. So wavelength is being given, wavelength of 500 nanometer. Okay, so remember it is nanometer. अब उसके बाद क्या करना है आपको, enters in a glass plate of refractive index 1.5, refractive index of 1.5. ओके, अब क्या करना है, इसको आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, स्पीड फाइंड आउट करना है, फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड आउट करना है, वेवलेंथ फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, वी कैन फाइंड आउट द फ्रीक्वेंसी, you have to find out the speed, frequency and wavelength of light in glass. Okay, so what you will do, you will find out the speed. We know that for the first one we will calculate n is equal to c by v, the velocity in glass, velocity of light in glass. Now what would be, this is v g, आपको find out करना है. ये क्या होगा इसका आंसर? For this we will be calculating v g is equal to c by n. We'll be getting the answer as c की वैल्यू आपको ऑलरेडी मालूम है, 3 into 10 to the power 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 10 to the power 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड डिवाइडेड बाय n. कितना दिया हुआ है? The frequency of this refractive index of the glass is 1.5 divided by 1.5. After cancelling you will be getting the answer as 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, now the next part is the frequency. For frequency we know that this is n lambda, c is equal to n lambda. Okay, c की वैल्यू आपको मालूम है. अब हमको क्या करना है कि हमको फाइंड आउट करना है यहाँ पर. ओके, n की जगह में हम यहाँ पर वेलोसिटी यूज कर सकते हैं, न्यू. अब क्या करेंगे हम, जो frequency of light remains same in both the mediums, you can assume, this is given in the question that you have to assume that the light remains same, it is going to be in the same speed, frequency of the light will remain same in both the mediums. Both the mediums कौन सा? एक तो air है और दूसरा glass plate है. Okay, so we get as 3 into, अब हमें यहाँ पर frequency find out करनी है, ठीक है, न्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. क्या मिलेगा इसमें से हमें? दिस इज c बाय लैम्डा, 3 into 10 to the power 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 500 नैनोमीटर्स, 500 into नैनोमीटर्स है तो 10 to the power -9 से आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे एंड देन वी विल बी गेटिंग द आंसर एज 3 से इसको कट कर दो, इससे भी कट कर दो, यहाँ पर सिर्फ बचेगा क्या, माइनस से ऊपर जाएगा तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, 9 8 17, तो 6 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Okay, this is for the second part. Now the third part is you have to find out the frequency, wavelength in glass. Wavelength in glass would be v. This is nu lambda g. Okay, अब हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, ये. अब इसको आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लीजिए. Okay, Vg by lambda. अब velocity in the glass. This we have 2 into, ये आई यहाँ से 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by what is the frequency? This is this 6 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. अब आप इसको जो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे, दिस विल बी कट बाय 3 इससे 10 डिवाइड कर लीजिए, 3.33 into 10 to the power -7 meters would be the answer. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the questions if some of the new types of question could also come. जैसे ये है, ये भी क्वेश्चन आया हुआ ही है, तो यहाँ पर आपको भले ही फॉर्मूला नहीं याद होगा, सो यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दिस, यू कैन लर्न दिस. फाइन. सो दिस इज n इज इक्वल टू c बाय v g, दैट इज वेलोसिटी इन ग्लास. वेलोसिटी इन ग्लास आपको ऐसे फाइंड आउट करके वैल्यूज रखोगे तो आपका आंसर आपको 2 into 10 to the power 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड मिलेगा. Then we know that c is standing for the speed of light in the vacuum. Okay. Then Vg means this is the velocity of light in the glass. So we have to find out the velocity of light in glass. Okay, wavelength of light in the glass. So we have found out in this manner. एंड दिस वॉज आपको यहाँ पर वेवलेंथ, फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड स्पीड तीनों निकालना था. तो स्पीड ऐसे हो गई, वेवलेंथ इधर, फ्रीक्वेंसी यहाँ से फाइंड आउट किया आपने. फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 6 × 10⁻14 हर्ट्ज. देन आफ्टर दैट लैम्डा जी से हमने इसे फाइंड आउट करके यहाँ पर वैल्यू निकाली 3.33 × 10⁻⁷ meter/second. Okay children, so this was all about today's numericals. We'll be meeting you all in the next class. We'll be discussing some more numericals in the next class. So children, this was all about today's video.